Pepalwalyang memorandum ing Department of Education o DepEd, di kilking pa magpatupad ning work from home arrangement balang Biyernes para karang school-based personnel manibat April 10 hanggang June 5, 2026 bilang parti ning pa magtipid king enerhiya ning departamento. Lalam ni nga manuang memorandum ibat king Office of the Secretary palawakan niya ing flexible work arrangement bang masaklo emo ing central at regional offices nunay maging reng school-based non-teaching at related teaching personnel. Agpangking DepEd, manatili ing 42 on-site work schedule manibat Lunes hanggang Huwebes, kabang work from home naman balang Biyernes. Didikdik king memorandum na dapat siguraduhan dareg school heads na miapektuhan ning essential school operations king pa magpatupad ning work from home setup. Parti ang takbang IT king energy conservation efforts ning DepEd ang makatuki king mimira la flexible work arrangements ning ahensya. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.